Your doctor has about 10 minutes with you, a prescription pad, and almost zero time to talk about what's actually happening to your body after 40. So instead, you get told everything looks normal. But you don't feel normal, your hair is thinning, your skin looks tired no matter what you use, your joints ache when you wake up, your stomach feels bloated for no reason, and your sleep feels completely broken. And at some point you start wondering, what is happening to me? Let me be very clear, this is not you failing, this is your body changing and not getting the support it actually needs. And today, I'm going to show you one of the most overlooked tools women are using right now to support their body naturally during this phase, castor oil. And before you dismiss it, this is not a trend. This is something that's been used for generations. And now women are rediscovering it because it actually works when used consistently. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it, what it actually helps with, and how to do it in a way that fits into your real life. No fluff, no guessing. Let's start with one of the most emotional changes women experience, hair, because this is where it hits your identity. You're brushing your hair, and more is coming out than usual. You're noticing thinning at the crown or around your hairline, and it doesn't feel like you. This is hormonal, and here's where castor oil comes in. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which supports circulation to the scalp and helps strengthen the hair at the root. But here's how you actually use it. Don't just dump oil on your head. Take one small pump, mix it with your conditioner, and massage it into your scalp. Focus on the roots. Wrap your hair, sleep in it. Do this consistently, and over time you'll notice less breakage, more density, stronger strands. And this only works if the oil is high quality, cold pressed, hexane-free, organic, amber glass bottle. I linked the exact one I use because quality matters here. Now let's talk about your skin, because this is where most women feel like nothing is working anymore. You're using the same products, but your skin looks dull, less firm, more textured. And here's the shift. Your skin is losing moisture faster. Castor oil works as an occlusive, meaning it locks everything in. So here's what you do. Use your normal skincare first. Serum, retinol, moisturizer, then take a small amount of castor oil and press it over your skin, especially along your jawline and neck, and take 60 seconds and massage upward. This alone improves circulation, reduces puffiness, and supports lymphatic drainage. Do this every night, not once, not occasionally, every night. And within a few weeks, your skin looks more hydrated, more even, more alive. Now let's talk about the one that frustrates almost every woman. Your stomach, the bloating, the inflammation. That feeling where you wake up and already feel uncomfortable, like this is not just food, this is hormonal inflammation. And this is where castor oil packs come in. And this is the part most women don't know how to use correctly. You take a castor oil pack, soak it, place it over your abdomen, and leave it on. You can do this while relaxing or overnight. And what happens is it supports circulation, lymphatic flow, and helps reduce inflammation in that area. Women who do this consistently notice less bloating, less discomfort, flatter mornings. This is one of the highest impact things you can start doing. And yes, I linked the exact packs I recommend because not all of them are made the same. Now here's where a lot of women get caught off guard. Joint pain, knees, shoulders, hips. You wake up stiff or things just don't feel as mobile. Again, this is hormonal. Estrogen drops, inflammation increases. Castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties. So here's what you do. Apply it directly to the joint or use a castor oil pack. Leave it on, let it absorb. Do this consistently, and what you'll notice isn't overnight magic. It's gradual relief, less stiffness, more mobility. This is about consistency. Now let's talk about your legs and skin texture, because this is another no one talks about it issue. Crepey skin, cellulite, dryness that doesn't go away. After your shower, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply castor oil, then use a body brush over it. This stimulates circulation and helps the oil absorb. It's simple, but it works. And again, this is about doing it consistently. Now let's be real for a second. Castor oil is thick, it's sticky. So here's how you actually make this sustainable. Apply it at least an hour before bed, wear cotton clothing, and if needed, mix it with a lotion to make it easier to use. Because the best routine is the one you'll actually stick to. Now here's the bigger picture. You are not dealing with random symptoms. You are in a hormonal transition that affects your skin, your hair, your joints, your digestion, and most women are given very little support for this, which is why simple, consistent tools like this matter more than people realize. And if you're at the point where you're tired of guessing and you want something simple to start with, this is it. Start with the oil, start with the pack, give it 30 days, and see how your body responds. I've linked the exact brand I trust below. They're cold pressed, high quality, and they also have other natural products that support women's health in this phase. So if you're going to try this, use something that actually works. And if this video made something click for you, share it with another woman who needs to hear this. Because most women think this is just aging, and it's not. It's a lack of support, and now you know where to start.